Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with this week's word of the week. The word of the week is turn. Turn, turn. Let's look at our picture. This person is turning a doorknob. He's turning it to open the door. Turn. I can turn my head from side to side. Turn, turn. I can turn on my lamp, turn on, and I can turn off my lamp, turn off. I can turn the lid on my water bottle. Look, turn, turn. The word of the week is turn. Turn. Thanks everyone. Make sure you check out our PDF for this week's word of the week so that you can work different activities into your week to work on the word turn. I hope you have a great week. Bye.